Hello, my dear viewers. How are you? I hope your year is off to a great start too. So that you don't get bored, I have prepared a ton of cool ideas for you. All my ideas are great for each of you and will help you in everyday life. If you insert a CD into an angle grinder, you can do a lot of things. For example, you can cut polystyrene foam, or can even cope with cutting a plastic pipe. Now, we need 2 small pieces of sandpaper. Cut exactly along the contour of our CD disc. Now glue it with any super glue. We put our new disc on the grinder and let's sand the wood. Our disc copes with this task perfectly, and the board is now smooth and free of splinters. The disc will also handle a knife. The knife became completely rusty and already looked bad, but now it will be like new in a couple of seconds. What do you think about this result? And now, we'll show you how to sharpen any knife correctly and using a grinder. We will need 1 disc again. Apply a thin, even layer of glue on top of the CD. Then just apply sand on top of the glue. This way the disc will not spoil your knife and will sharpen smoothly and accurately. The knife became like a razor in a few minutes. How do you like this idea? Friends, I was happy to share some good ideas with you. Like them if you found them interesting.